Guys, I'm Tana and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about this very effective coffee face pack. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare this highly effective coffee face pack which will help to remove suntan, dark spots, uneven skin complexion as well as to lighten and brighten your skin tone, make it more even, clear, brighter and lighter than before. So firstly, let's see what are the ingredients do we need to prepare this coffee face pack. So the first ingredient which we need is coffee powder, and here I'm using this Nescafe coffee powder, but you can use any coffee powder which you have. Next up, we need rice flour. After that, we'll need vitamin E oil, and if you don't have vitamin E oil, then you can also use vitamin E capsules which are easily available at any pharmacy store. After that, we need half lemon or the lemon juice. And the last ingredient which we need to prepare this face pack is raw milk. So now let's see how to prepare this face pack. And to prepare this pack, we firstly have to take 1 pouch of this coffee powder in a clean bowl, or you can even take 1 teaspoon of coffee powder in a clean bowl. After that, we have to add 1 teaspoon of rice flour into it. And after adding the rice flour, just mix both these ingredients really well so that both these powder ingredients merge with each other nicely and makes a smooth mixture. After mixing them well, you have to add half a teaspoon of lemon juice into it. Then we have to add 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil into it, and if you're using the vitamin E capsules, then you can add 2 to 3 vitamin E capsules into it. And after adding this oil, just give a good mix to all these ingredients so that the oil combines with the powder ingredients well. And after that, just add enough raw milk to make a smooth and a creamy paste, and mix all these ingredients really nicely to make a smooth and a lump-free paste. And after mixing all these ingredients really nicely, your homemade coffee face pack is ready, and it will look something like this. And this paste should be of medium consistency, which is neither so thick and nor so runny, and should be so much smooth and lump free as I'm showing you in the video. So now let me show you how to use this face pack for best results. So you can apply this face pack with the help of a brush, or you can even use your fingertips to apply this face mask. So you just have to simply apply this face pack all over your face and neck, or you can even use this face pack all over your body to get rid of all the suntan from your skin. And after applying this face pack nicely onto your skin, just leave it to dry completely for about 15 to 20 minutes. And after 15 to 20 minutes, just rinse it off using normal water and then pat dry and moisturize your skin really well. And for the best results, you can use this face pack twice or thrice in a week. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. So yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.